Handan Yanjiao Fastener Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of hexagon bolt, hexagon nut, stud bolt, located in Yongnan District, Handan City, with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including high-speed automatic cold heading machine, steel descaling machine, heat treatment mesh belt furnace. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 quality system certification, ISO 14001 environmental management system certification, and OHSAS 18001 occupational health and safety management system certificate. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company insists on the policy that customer is the supreme, prestige promised, quality guaranteed, professional service. On the basis of strict quality control, cling to the detail management, improve service levels to realize the benign development of the company. We have received many customers to our affirmation and trust. We sincerely welcome domestic and foreign customers to our company for investigation, visit, and technical exchange.